iThemes, easy widgets and icons. So you can just go tap get and install it. So this is a new app to get some custom home and lock screens. So you can just open it up, and there are a lot of widgets in here which you can go and install it. You can manage your space and get more gems. You can get more gems by completing all of these tasks. There are a lot of ads. I actually don't think this is like completely legit app, so I don't think that there are a lot of wallpapers, but this app has really few reviews yet. And you can look, if you want something more reliable, you can look for app like Widgetable and or Theme Pack, Themilia. But yeah, this is just that's just the app. And yeah, so then you just have it in here, and that's what it is. iThemes, easy widgets and icons.